morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Today the sun is out. As you can see, the weather, but it has been raining since yesterday all night. It has been raining all night, and now the view is so amazing. Now the green are so beautiful. As you can see, what is this? For those who knows this plant, but it is still having a roots. I think if you plant this one, if you can plant this tree, it can grow. And I don't know if it can grow, but this tree, I like it. I like this tree when it is already grow. And as you can see, it is still having a roots. Maybe it can, if you plant it, can come back. I don't know, but for those who know, if I can plant it maybe somewhere here, I don't know if it can. Let me keep it over here, so maybe if I remember, we come back and then I will plant it. I don't know where I ever see this type of tree, this tree. I don't even know if it's tree, but it usually like to be like this one. Are not the same. This one like this, or this one. I think these three are okay, not the same, but actually they are the same. They are the same. They are the same, but it will just look like this when it has grown enough. This is another type of tree, but for this one, it's also grow the same shape of this one, which is just look like this. And this is the view of today. This is the view for today. And I will keep this one over here. I will keep this one. How are you guys? You are fine? What are you eating? Give me some. You cannot share with me, please? You come from school, but you are not in uniform. Today this is a Sunday. So what happened today? Is it just the school, or you went for making your homework, or what? Like for you, you still have a books in your hand. Hey, you're okay. It means you first close your shoes tie, please. You know, most of students I'm seeing here, all of them, their shoes are open. So what happened when you are in classroom? You remove the shoes. Hey, so you have to mop the class. Yeah. You are very smart. So tomorrow you are coming for the serious school. So tomorrow is a class. It's a Monday. Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you. And as you can see, guys, those are students, and today is a Sunday. I was a little bit confused. Why are they coming from school when it's a Sunday? They're supposed to be ready for tomorrow's class. Tomorrow class is a Monday. All students, they have to go for classes. They have to go to study. Yeah. So I was asking them if they are not even having a single day for just free, because most of students here, you will not know when is a free day for them. We found them going to study every day. So which is also somehow complicated. They're supposed to be having 1 day rests in a week. Yeah. The view is this one. The view is this one. As you can see, this is the way which is not already paved. This one is already paved, but a half from here. But all this way, it keeps going up to where this is also school. Keep going up like this. It's all paved. And let's dive into this sway, which is just like this. This way it is just like this. And kindly subscribe to, let's hit 1K subscriber. Let's hit 1K subscribers. Let's grow this channel. And as you can see, guys, this is a village, East Province, Rwanda. The green and flower everywhere. You will see flower everywhere in Rwanda. See this one, so beautiful. These are flowers. Neighborhood. So they will just put a flower as a gate. Now is a flower, but at the same time again, it is just a gate. This is that flower I was talking about. This one, it is that one I was talking about, which I need also to plant. I don't know if it will grow just like that, but this one, it is in deep hidden. It is hidden inside there, but I saw it's the same color, but the flowers here are lots. There's something normal here. This is something normal. People, they will just plant and they will make like, wow, so green everywhere. And as you can see, the flower is still there. The flower a lot here in East Province. You can see. And if the flower are a lot here, I mean, it means also, where is the birds? In East Province, what I'm seeing, there are lots of flowers. And the larva of flowers, even the birds are supposed to be there. Are there birds in East Province, Nyamata village? Next video I will sneak and I will sneak around and make sure if this is there, because we're supposed also to have birds, because birds, they like to be staying where there is a flowers. And in this place, East Province of Rwanda, there are a lot of flowers. All the way I was passing, if I keep going like this, I like to be seeing the flowers here, but because these plots are empty, you can't see now. They like to put flowers at the outside of their gates. If it's not flower, just a simple garden. Simple garden just like this. Most of neighborhoods, they will just put flowers outside down. Sometimes like this down, they put just normal grasses, but on top they like also putting flower on top of their gates. You see, these are all simple gardens. But when you sneak inside, We found the flowers, a beautiful one. These are still neighborhoods. You can see, you can tell what is there, what I'm seeing here. Neighborhoods are all riches, and the buildings are still going around. Are still wow. These are neighborhoods, guys. It's a neighborhood, and it's just like this. See, those are simple garden everywhere. And also this one, I don't know these flowers, what type of this flower, but they are still young. These are the flower. You see what I was talking about? These are again simple gardens. You can see all this way. Simple, just garden. And you keep going here down. See? Trees of flowers everywhere. So nice. Wow. This is avocado tree. And this way I'm passing, but there is a way. Once you see what I always see here in the country just like this where there is a lot of greens, you have to find yourself a way, because not even yourself, you will find like you have to follow footfalls other people's where they have already passed, but you can see there is a way, a small way, yeah, which will take me till there down. See, oh, are maize. Those are all maize, and it has been raining in the night. We are in the rainy season. And again but we are now getting out from this season. We are now entering in another season, which is not a lot of rain, but it is raining in these days. But morning, we get some beautiful view like this, just like this. You can see, you can tell by yourself. In the village, East Province, this is a village, East Province of Rwanda.